What's up, everybody? I just brought my car out here to 034 Motorsports to get the Mark II TT tuned. They didn't have a file exactly for my software in my car, so they had to extract it, and they're actually going to make a file for the ECU and the DSG. So I'll be tuned. I took like say it was a 6-hour drive from SoCal out here, and I just got here. They took the keys and everything already, but man, look at all the Audis they have. They got just about every old school and new school model. It's a nice Q5 right there. You can see here they got a few VWs also. They got a Hellcat over there. Look at the front over here. So they taking my TT in to the back to get tuned. Golf R. All right. All right, you guys, I gotta find some place to go because their waiting room is closed because of COVID, so I gotta find some place to go for a few hours, so I'll get back with you guys. All right, you guys, I just got the car back. It took them about 4 hours. They put the stage 2 DSG tune and the stage 1 ECU tune. It's the only stage they had. It's the only stage I've seen for this car, or for any R32, but this is it. I can't really do any pulls or anything right now, and their dyno is not available. It's only available to the engineers for testing. So I'm about to hit traffic for the 6-hour drive, and I'm just gonna hurry up and get on the freeway, and I'll hit you guys back later to do like some pulls to see how hard it pulls and everything. Then I'll let you guys know how it feels on the freeway and everything. There's some nice canyons to go through on the way back, so I'll be able to feel it then. Like a little something. All right, I'm back in LA now. The car feels real good. I didn't get a chance to film any of the canyon runs or anything like that. There was actually a lot of traffic on the way back because of rush hour and everything, but it was a long drive. Nice drive, but a long drive. The car feels real good. Now I'm almost wishing that I would have done the tunes separately so I could really feel, you know, what the differences are, because the transmission shifts like more aggressive but real smooth now. Kind of, like I said earlier, I could feel the car adapting to the tune and everything. So, you know, probably this, you know, throughout this week with some mixed driving, I'm pretty sure it's going to start feeling, you know, even more different, you know, as I drive and everything. But it feels real good. But like I said, I wish I would have done them separately so I could really see how they feel. I'm gonna go to the test spot so I could do a few pulls, and then that'll probably be it for this video. But I'm gonna go do a few pulls real quick because it's late. I'm kind of tired, man. I'm gonna be putting up another video very soon because I'm gonna be installing an intake that just showed up, and I'll be doing some launch control pulls when I do that. Alright, I'm here at the test spot. I'm gonna do a hard pull just from a roll. Sorry about that, the camera dropped, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a launch control right now. Really feel the car in S mode. It feels like it puts it's definitely more aggressive. It feels like it puts more pressure on the clutch. You can definitely feel it. Yeah, it feels real good. S mode is way more aggressive now. Up here under the underpass, and then I'm gonna head home, call it a day. But I'll be putting up another video very soon when I do the intake. Put windows down here so the underpass. It feels real good. Yeah, but anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I know it's a short, small video. Most of my videos are longer. So I'm probably happy that this one is shorter. But I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing with the car and how it, how it feels with the tune and everything, and how everything is progressing. But I like it so far. Like I said, the next video that I'm putting up very soon is me installing the intake, and then I'll come out and do some more pulls with that to see how it feels. And then I'm also going to be doing a Haldex tune later, and I'll put up a video for that also. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.